Wait a minute. Yes, I'm going to add a bonus clip between these classes, and the reason I'm going to add this clip, I want to talk to you everything we have done till now. These were the essentials of Arduino. We are learning Arduino, we are learning how to program a machine, and we have programmed our machine to do a basic action. Whenever it takes input, it is giving output. So you might be thinking why we are playing with these toys, this LED, this IR sensor, but these are not toys. What actually we are doing, you need to understand that we are taking input to the controller and we are giving output from the controller. This LED blinking is basically an output from the controller, and on that output there might be a gate that should open on certain condition. There might be a motor, anything else can be output of that controller. So we are basically learning how we can provide output from a controller, and using this sensor we are taking input into the controller. So we have attached a sensor, and that sensor is giving input to the controller from the environment, and these are very important topics. Remember, if you understood everything till now you can go to Google, write anything about Arduino, any project about Arduino, and you will start understanding that. If your concepts are clear till here, you know how to apply a condition, you know how to set pins as input output, you know how to take in output on your serial monitor, you know how to apply brackets, what are the syntaxes of your code, you know how to write input, you know how to take input, you know how to write output. So after understanding all of that, you should be able to understand tutorials on the internet. Everything else is already on internet. These basics were the essential to understand. From now on, we are going to speed up a little. I am going to keep attaching more sensors, more modules. I will use libraries and other stuff like you see on YouTube, on other platforms. Because you are here with me in this course, so it's my responsibility to teach you how to use all those essential sensors or all those essential shields. But till now, till these 5-6 classes, were the most important one, and I want to emphasize a little bit more on that please, if you are confused, rewind these classes, learn them again, and if you want to really understand that, perform it, take this hardware, perform it. Actually, you should be able to do this. You should be able to do this by now, and then you should start your next section of the course of your different Arduino shields, different Arduino modules, libraries, and so much other stuff. So I will see you in the next class.